Welcome to the next interesting lesser-known story about Lord Krishna. Do you know the story of the false Krishna? Today, we'll uncover one of the lesser-known episodes of the Mahabharata, the tale of Paundraka Vasudev, the man who dared to call himself the real Krishna. Paundraka was a king of Karusha, wealthy and powerful, admired by many. His lifestyle was royal, filled with luxury and pride. But his ego led him astray. He convinced himself and even others that he was the true Vasudev, the real divine Krishna. Wearing false symbols, a fake Sudarshan Chakra, a wooden make, and mock ornaments of Vishnu, Paundraka marched into battle with pride, demanding that Sri Krishna surrender his identity. Krishna, smiling at the arrogance, agreed to surrender, but in his own way. With calmness and supreme strength, Krishna wielded his real Sudarshan Chakra and in one swift strike ended the illusion of the false Krishna. This story teaches us that no matter how strong, wealthy, or confident someone may appear, falsehood cannot stand against truth. Just like Paundraka, ego eventually collapses in front of Dharma. And that's the timeless lesson for us today. In life, strength without truth is empty. But when mind, body, and Dharma align, victory is eternal. Stay tuned to this channel to know more lesser-known stories from our Indian epics. Please like, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. If you have such lesser-known stories, do add in the comment, and we shall create an interesting video on the same. Thanks for watching.